Clean the front windshield with a cleaning cloth and stick the suction cup holder in the right place. Connect the car charger and rear camera of dash-cam. Route the power cable along the windshield and hide the cable by crowbar. Install the rear camera. Insert the power cord along the gaps between the front windshield and the ceiling, between the car body and the ceiling on the side of the passenger seat, and between the rear seats and the ceiling. Find the installation location on the rear windshield and then stick the electrostatic sticker on the rear windshield. Peel off the 3-in glue on the rear camera and stick the rear camera on the electrostatic sticker.
Connect the GPS bracket to the dash cam. Then do bench test before official installation to make sure everything is okay. Select the installation location on the front windshield of the car and rotate the bracket counterclockwise to secure. Fix the dash cam at the selected position and adjust to a desired angle. Reserve a section of wire for the car charger. Then use a crowbar to hide the remaining part of the wire in the gap between the front windshield and the roof. Hide the cable down the A-pillar to the front of the passenger seat foot pad. Hide it under the foot pad. And finally reach the cigarette lighter position and plug in the car charger. Like installing a car charger, hide the cables along the front windshield gap. Insert the power cord along the gap between the car body and the ceiling on the side of the passenger seat, and between the rear seat and the ceiling, and hide it into the welt. Select the installation location on the rear windshield and paste the electrostatic sticker there. Then peel off the 3M glue on the rear camera and stick it. After the installation is complete, start the vehicle and the dash cam will turn on.
How to connect your redtiger dash cam with Wi-Fi. Press the power button to turn on the dash cam. Press M button to enter menu. Press up or down button to select setting and M button to confirm. Scan the QR code and download the app. Select Wi-Fi and activate. The seed and password will show on the screen. Open RedTiger app, press Add Camera. Jump to Setting and open WLAN. Find the seed and enter password. Connect successfully. Find your video and download here.